In this video, we're going to find out where these two graphs, y equals x plus 2 and y equals 3, intersect and what it actually means. First of all, if we look at the graph of y equals x plus 2, we can see what we know about graphs with the plus 2 is going to tell us the y-intercept, and the gradient is just x or 1x. If we're going to draw that on a graph then, the y-intercept is at 2, so here's our y-axis, it's going to intercept at 2, and the gradient is then going to be 1. Every time we go across 1, we go up 1. Across 1, up 1, across 1, up 1. This means we can draw a line here, which is that graph of all the different possible times where the y-intercept is found by doing the x-intercept plus 2. In our second example, our second line, this line is a line of y equals 3. The y-intercept would be 3, and there is no x-coordinate, so y equals 3 is a little bit like y equals 0x plus 3. In other words, the gradient is equal to 0. The y-intercept is at 3, so we go up to 1, 2, 3, and then we have to keep on having a 0 gradient. This needs to be flat. This is the graph of y is equal to 3. It doesn't matter what x is. X could be -5, y is 3. X could be -7, y is 3. So what's happening when they intersect? They intersect at this point here, and this point has the coordinates of 1, 3. X is equal to 1 when y is equal to 3. What does that really mean though? At the point where they intersect, the equation y is equal to x plus 2 has the same coordinates or the same values as y is equal to 3. That means that the 3 could be substituted into this equation because the y has got to be the same as the x. So 3 is equal to x plus 2, and we formed ourselves an equation. What is the value of x? X plus 2 is equal to 3. We can just see that x is equal to 1. Or if we want to work it out using some kind of simplification to find x, we've got a plus 2, so we have to take 2 off both sides of the equation, and that's going to leave us with x and 3 take away 2, which is 1. At the point where x is equal to 1, both equations are the same. And this can be indicated, the solution to that equation can be indicated here on the graph. X is equal to 1. So, at the point of intersection of two lines, you're solving the equation where the equation of one line, x plus 2, is equal to the other equation, or the equation of the line, y is equal to 3. And the x-coordinate of the point of intersection is the solution to the equation.